Hey guys, sadly the last video for some reason just got cut off. I have no reason why, but Undertale out here showing off her spear, and now she's leaving. Oh shoot. That was creepy. I think she's gonna try to kill me anytime soon. Oh hey there. Yo, did you see that? Did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous. What would you get her attention? Wait, what did you get to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat some guy, some people. Oh, okay, I did finish just text. Alright. A feeling of dread hanging over you, but you stay determined. Hallway. Waterfall hallway. How did he get past this? So I mean, seeing him build this bridge. Okay, this won't take long. Dang it. There you go. And last one. There we go. Got a nice path. Alrighty. Oh shoot! Aaron's flexes it. And it's a flex. You flex. Aaron's flexes twice as hard. Types of crease for you too. Oh shoot! What? Oh. Aaron, shoot. It's time to go away. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Come on. Oh shoot! I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Oh, I just forgot I named myself Bob until now. Oh shoot, I'm dead. Oh, now the music's working. Caused me to death. I need to die to make the music work. That's good music. Oh shoot. I kind of have to carry these with my head. Shoot. Yeah, music does my foot. I just keep on flexing and then he might leave. Oh guys, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I have to leave. I'm sorry, I have to end the video now, sadly. Sorry about this. It's for important business. So guys, oh wait. I just won! Quickly save the game before I leave. So guys, sorry I have to leave now. But please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. How we want to do on you. See you guys next time. Bye.